Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie Red, here again with another video. If this is your first time gracing us with your presence, hello darlings, settle in, you know, relax. This is my version of vlogmas. I don't know what else to tell you. It's this is what we do here. We love unboxings, we love talking about luxury items, talking about fashion, talking about, you know, all the things that have to do with, you know, clothing and accessories and handbags and hair and makeup and, you know, all the things. So if you like that kind of thing, feel free to subscribe or just keep checking out videos and liking them. I'm okay with that too. And if you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Thank you so much for coming back and checking out another video and doing this with me all over again. So today is, oh god, I don't even know. Like, I really don't know for now, for sure. I think so. Today is the 9th. Today is the 9th. It's Thursday, so thank God it's almost Friday. It's Friday Eve. Getting closer to the weekend. How's everyone faring this holiday season? Are you ready for the holiday, whatever holiday it is that you celebrate? Are you done with any shopping that you had to do? Are you celebration ready? I am not celebration ready. I have so much to do. It's not even funny, but we're gonna stop all that, put that on pause, and we're here for Unboxmas. Because this is my happy space, this is my happy place, so this is where I want to spend my time. But yeah, then after this I have to, like, you know, go online and shop for my children. So anyway, all right, so we are here today with another unboxing. So this is unboxing number 8, I think, because we're one day behind, as far one count behind our day. So this is unboxing 8. I did promise you all a bit of something orange maybe in the near future, so we've got this orange bag. I feel like we're taking a luxury tour around, you know, the luxury mall, if you will. So we've got, you know, we've had Chanel, we've had Louis Vuitton, we've had Gucci, the Gucci Balenciaga hacker project, we've had Tom Ford, we've had Fendi, like all the bits. We've got all the people here, all the gang's all here. So so today, you know, it would not be a proper unboxing, luxury unboxing, without a bit of Hermés. Okay, no, I tried, all right, I tried. So anyway, all right, so what I'm going to end up doing is changing the camera angle down, because our unboxing slash unbagging is for a small item. It's so little, a little item, and they put the samples in here. I was just talking to my husband, and I'm like, I can't even say the name, so I can't say the name of the samples, and I don't recall if it's men's or women's fragrance, or if it's unisex or what have you. I don't remember. It smells really nice though. I did check it out again. It smells really nice, but I can't recall what the information was around this fragrance that they gave us. So but I will give you close-ups of the fragrance sample when I open the box, so you can see what we got in here, and then what else was in the bag. And then also in the bag was just this little folded card, and inside is the receipt. And so that's pretty simple. There are other things on the receipt. The receipt is massive, long, and we didn't buy that many things, but it's really long, and it's all about like the return policy and offering exchanges and so on, but I have no intention of participating in that. All right, so we're going to angle down, get a closer look at the sample, get a closer look at what is in our box, and then I'll come back after that and tell you what I think. Here we go. Okay, so we're back now and got a little close-up of this piece. So this is, let me make sure I get this right, the Hermés Kelly, the men's Kelly bracelet in the size T6, T as in Tom, T6, in the color orange matte. So it's matte orange, which that's pretty self-explanatory. So I knew when I was getting one of these, well, I tried to get the H bracelet or the Click H or whichever one is the men's one, because you know the women's one is not going to fit me. So I tried to get the men's one, and I think either they didn't have a size that fit me in store, or I don't know, I don't remember what happened. Something about it was like I don't know, so it was too small. But I don't know if that was the largest size that they offer or if it was just what they had in stock.
That was the largest.
Oh, well, my husband said it didn't fit, so whatevs. So if that's the case, that's fine. But I ended up going with this one. I showed you in the cutaway the locking mechanism and how this locks, which is really cool. And I really like it. I knew I wanted to get an orange one as my first. I went back and forth with, should I do orange and gold or orange and the palladium, and I went with the palladium. Obsessed. I think it looks really nice. It's not too chunky, but it's not like super thin, and it's still, you know, it's a lot of movement still on it, so it's still stackable, and I can still wear this with something else. I don't know if I would, like, I wouldn't wear it on my fine jewelry side. I don't think I would do that. I keep that separate. And well, I have my tennis bracelet here, so that's fine jewelry, but I don't know, I feel like my tennis bracelet is a bit more hearty, so you can probably take it, like it's not going to scratch and so on as much as like my Cartier pieces would. So I'm okay with it on this side, but I don't think I can stack it with a watch. That's the only thing. So if I'm wearing this, I'm just wearing this. I'm not wearing this and wearing a watch with it, because I feel like it might be too clunky. I don't know. I'll try it out, play around with it. I'll let you know as we go through Unboxmas if I decide to layer it with a watch or not. I think the Apple Watch would be too chunky, but I do have a slimmer, what's that brand called? Michelle watch, I think it's called, with like diamonds and so on. I have one of those, like a bracelet watch. So I don't know, I'll see, I'll play around with it and see what looks good. But I think that it might be kind of clunky with the Apple Watch, but we'll see. But I'm happy to get these. So yeah, that's it. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Little Hermès loving, a little, you know, little Hermès flex, little Chanel flex. You know, just, you know, building the wardrobe, building the different bits that we love, and we are, you know, wish list items and core pieces. Really love those. So anyway, so that's it for me, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time that we're here dropping these gems, unboxing, showing all of the bits and the things and the different designers and fashion brand houses that we are visiting. We will be back tomorrow to do it all over again. What should we do tomorrow? What do you feel like tomorrow? I don't know. It's Friday. We should do something nice for Friday. I don't know. Comment down below if you have a favorite brand that you'd like to see. Maybe I have it. Maybe I have something here from it that we can, you know, show. I mean, I haven't shown anything from Dior. See you tomorrow. Bye.